Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro akinigilong ki khubor bam dagsni. Ya gajaka sa jongki pulit na ka reserve police yan on sa pankadya no na ka surok jil kumshibenta jong ka jingtmu jong ka sarkar ban pendunai ka jing khap ngya ha kanong ba Shillong. Aba pentip ya kani hadin balawai ka jingyalang jong ka kinhun menteri ha kasni thodi. Unong ai ktin jong ka kinhun menteri ba ka sarkar. Uba polling do uloong ban pendunai ka jing khap ngya jong ka nong ba Shillong ya ka police reserve menta on penkriya no shatin ring ka bahap apo ka Shillong township athamai ka kinhun menteri kala menjuri ya kani ka jing turwa menta kasngi. On mang ya ka jaka ka bahe san pho akan na ka benta banthau ya ka jaka ri pulin ka bathamai hatin ring bar kani ka jaka karpang kan long ru kum kalinti yan hapdeng kan nong ba sanshar bar kan nong ba jingtim jong ka Shillong township ka bathamai ula benram habakali ba apoling do ulo ong ba ka kam kan sedang no madon na ka benta banthau ya ka police reserve ka bathamai ka jingthmu ka long ban pindunai ka jing khap ngya ak te ka jaka but on pin kan ria ru ya ka phatong ba de ka jing terwa ya ka ei ka banja ya ka jaka puta hadin kata on sabu da katnat sar ngin salet shwa shaniu Shillong bat nang ta ngin sarai ayungin ne ya ka jaka ka ba on pelong lat lu shisin ba ka police reserve kala mi no na ka te ka jaka bar ka patok jong ka jelaru kan mi no bat nang ta ngin sarai na mar ka jingdon kam jong ka sar kalong ka ba bunjat bat ya kita on sa penbet da katnan ba dai pet ulapan ram.
As you can see, some new construction is already happening where these vendors will be relocated.
Where?
This is at Kynriah area itself. Opposite the State Bank also, some construction is on. So these also will be used for the rehabilitation of workers.
When?
It will happen within this year. You will see.
Because last year you said last year.
Yeah, that's why I told you that we will not give you a definite date because you will keep asking every press conference. But it's happening. The relocation is happening. Names have already been finalized, and we have indicated a space for about 200 such hawkers.
But some apprehensions were there amongst the hawkers, and they were mentioning about town vending committee, the legalities of this town vending committee.
No. In fact, that process, the hawkers themselves had representation in the town vending committees, so things are going on smoothly. We should be able to relocate them once the new structures are ready. See, I think you'll also appreciate the fact that today, even the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya has stepped in by also directing the state government to expedite the process of relocating hawkers who are creating a lot of inconvenience to other road users. So we are aware of the situation, we are seized of the matter, which is why the relocation will happen immediately, once the structures are ready. See, as government, whether we do it or we don't do it, we always get the short end of the stick. But we will do what has been mandated to us to do. We will perform our duties accordingly, and we will ensure that all road users, including transporters, pedestrians, they also have equal right to the use of those roads.